Hey everybody, One Empire here. Today I'm going to just show you how the 2000 Subaru SF generation door panel comes off. If you haven't done it before, it's just a quick video. We're going to have a screw here that comes out. This panel pops off right here, and there's a screw deep inside there. This trim piece has a screw inside and it comes off. I pulled it out just because I don't want it to get lost. There's a trim panel right here, a hole with one of these. You just unscrew it and pry it out once the screw is loosened. And another trim panel right here below the door handle. This one I almost missed. It just pops out. And then there's another screw right there. This doesn't need to come off. I think this is for some kind of a light or something that they have in other models, or maybe in Japan or something, but that's not necessary. And then here's your speaker. This speaker mesh pops off, by the way. If you need to just access your speaker, you can go ahead and do that. So that just pries off. Just make sure and be careful so you don't lose some of these pins. I have the pin there, it just came off earlier. So it's this piece, this little spring clip. Let's see, was that it? I think that was all the screws. So there's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to take off. So that's about it. And then you just pull it off. Installation, just be careful not to lose these trim pieces. I'll take it off so you can kind of see. Looks like it was cracked before, but you want to lift the door handle a little bit to allow it to come out. You lift it up. First you'll pop off these pieces down here, so it all pops out from these little trim pieces. I'll show you where they are so you can kind of pull in the right spots and hopefully not break them. But be careful when you're pulling this out. If you can do this with 2 hands, pull this lever up so it comes out a little bit easier. But you also want to make sure that this is up out of the window track, like so, and it comes right out. If you want to take a look here, so you can see where the trim mounting points are, those blue nubs sticking out is what you're going to want to pull on. Over on this side, they're black, but you can kind of see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, if I'm counting right. And there's your door panel. For reinstallation, same thing. Fortunately, this is still sticking up, so I'm going to try and put it in there first. If I can. Oh, no. Okay, so this is good actually, because this is probably going to happen to you. If you see right here, these 2 nubs, one on top, one on bottom, go inside here, and then you push it forward. I don't know if I can do this with one hand, sorry. Put it in there and push it forward, and that locks it in place. So now you can open your door with one hand while you use the other hand to slide the door panel kind of backwards carefully without popping it out of place. Once you've got it in there, you might have to, this is a little bit tricky. Keep in mind you shouldn't be doing this with one hand. Just kind of work it in there, eventually it'll go, but again, you don't want to push it too hard. I think we're close enough. We can kind of, there we go. Now, once it's in place, you want to lift it up and get the rubber up against this window track here. Push it down so that you can see it's right up against the window. This doesn't really work very well on camera, but you'll see that the rubber is touching the window. After that, you just attach your screws. Well, first you'll want to push everything back in with those 6 points. Just kind of make sure it's on there pretty good, and then I won't show you on camera, but you'll attach. Just keep track of which screws come from where, because it might make it a little more difficult when you're putting it in place again. And then this last one. So sorry for the shaky video, I just kind of made a quick on-the-fly documentation of this for other people if you're wondering how to take the door panel off. I'm just going to upload it right to YouTube. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, like, subscribe, and One Empire signing off. Thanks for watching.